Imagine the skull as a fort with thick bony walls guarding the most precious treasure of all, the brain. Nothing enters without permission, but in this fortress of bone, hidden tunnels exist. They are known as emissary veins, which pass through tiny openings in the skull that act as escape doors. Emissary veins are small valveless veins that pass through foramina in the skull, connecting extracranial veins to the intracranial dural venous sinuses. Key emissary veins are the parietal emissary vein, pass through the parietal foramina near the top of the skull, mastoid emissary vein through the mastoid foramina behind the ear, occipital emissary vein at the back of the head, condylar emissary vein through the condylar canal near the skull base, and sphenoidal emissary vein, also known as vein of Vesalius, connecting the cavernous sinus to the pterygoid venous plexus. Emissary vein may also pass through other skull openings such as foraminoveal, jugular foramina, and hypoglossal canal. Most of the time, emissary vein drain blood from inside the skull outward, but they are valveless, which means blood can flow in either direction depending on pressure gradients. They help in equalizing venous pressure between intracranial and extracranial compartments, a subtle safety mechanism of nature. They may assist in brain cooling and also help in relieving venous congestion during raised intracranial pressure. But this bidirectional flow is a double-edged sword. The same pathway that protects the brain can also become potentially dangerous. Sometimes infection can use these channels to reach the brain. So an infection on the scalp, a boil near the nose, even middle ear sepsis through emissary vein can travel directly into the intracranial venous sinuses, leading to cavernous sinus thrombosis, meningitis, brain abscess, and even death. That is why even a tiny infectious pimple near the nose is taken very seriously in clinical medicine. The skull is strong, but one hidden tunnel can change the fate of the brain. In anatomy, small structures carry big consequences.